Morning and welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about our Good morning and welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about our Davao tour. We're here in the park and fly with my sister. The airport. Ihina ako. Mama's getting our boarding pass. So, andito na kami sa waiting area. As you can see, there's a lot of people out there. And our time is 6:14. Our departure time is 7 o'clock. Sa mga students ko dyan, maniwala kay Teacher Rosario. Pupunta talaga akong Davao. It will last for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So, we just have to wait for 10 minutes bago kami umakyat. Matutulog muna ako and see you later. Airport. Waiting for the park and fly. Charing. Back. So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam bakit kami nandito, first of all, ang family ni Mama, ang buong family niya ay dito nakatira. So, this is our province already. Then, bukas, aatid lang kami na kasi ng pinsan ko. Then, uwi na kami agad. So, ganun lang kaikli yung vlog na to. Pero sana mag-enjoy kayo. Going somewhere here in Davao. Pangan nyo na lang mamaya kung saan yun. At Marco Polo. Glamour. We're here to eat a lot of seafood. Kapila na po kami para sa amin. Tayo ngayon. Eat all you can, seafood all you can, and all. done eating. Ngayon naman, papunta na kami sa night market. Tayo'y nasa Manila lang din. Ha? Puro tempered glass ang nakikita ko.
Thank you very much.
Night market here in Davao. Done with the night market. Wala naman kaming ginawa doon. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to eat durian. Pakita ko kayo paano kumain ng durian.
Dalawa.
How to eat durian.
Maubos rin yan eh.
Masarap to kapag ilagay sa freezer.
Kunin mo. Isubo mo.
Kasi yung sarap ko.
Tada!
Nila ko, wala nila.
Durian is life with a fam.
Nila ko yung palibot.
Woo! Down
Yan,
to.
Dapat ito.
Want some? Yummer! Eating durian.
Sarap ma.
Pagtas lumamon, papa-massage naman. Kuya, pagod na pagod ka naman masyado sa pagmamassage sa akin. We're done for today. See you tomorrow. Bye! Good morning and I'm back. So, as you can see, wala akong makeup today. Kasi we're going somewhere para sa preparation for the wedding. She's doing my hair.
Pinay. Talagang Pilipina. Talagang Pilipina.
Done with my hair. Oh my gosh.
Not yet. Lalagyan pa.
Going to the 8th floor for our pictorial. Final look. Ready for the wedding. There's the bride. The program is about to start.
slow to react. No? So, ako, I've been married for 28 years.
More than 12 hours na kaming nasa labas ng bahay.
Totoo talaga po yun na kapag
Congrats sa
mag-asawa, darating yung time na there are challenges. So, mga bata pa.
At home and tired but spent the day well. Bye! See you tomorrow. Good morning! And we're packing our things because we're ready to go home. Pero bago kami umuwi, bibili muna kaming pasalubong. Hi! Bibili kaming pasalubong! Anong gusto nyo? Siyempre, hindi ko kayo bibigyan. Pababa pa lang kami, may freebie na si Kuya.
Hi, ma'am. Morning.
Morning. Ako. Uy, Tigong, dito ka pala. Tropa ko nga pala, oh. Na, Duterte tayo. Okay na, tapos na ako makabili. Konti lang siya. Parang yan sa mga taong tropa ko. Ang gusto mong yung tropa, subscribe ka muna. Here at my Instant Crib.
Holy week! Ay, dito kayo.
Tropa niyan si Bato. Malakas kapit ko, kala nyo.
Tayo, kasi yun. Tayo sa balenda ko.
So, baby. Say hi!
Dito sa bahay.
Hey!
Word ako sa doon mo.
Hi! What's your name? What's your name? Kael!
Video yan, baby.
Good! We're here at Penang to have our lunch. There's my family. We're going to eat inasal. Hirap na po kami pumili kung ano yung kakainin. Anong kakainin natin? Anong kakainin natin? Huwag ka magpa-cute. Seafood. O seafood. Yeah. Nagpa-cute seafood. Kainin. Vlog ko to, hindi niya vlog to ah. Gutom na pag-gutom. Gutom na ako ulit. Paano mag-exercise sa Penok? Paano pag gutom na gutom? And we're about to eat. Yes, ma'am. Kain tayo dyan. Kakatapos ko lang umiyak. Maanghang pa more. Nakakatatlo na po siyang rice. Sabi niya hindi daw siya gutom. Last durian for this trip.
Na-move yung flight from 6 naging 7.
Kaya.
6 ano?
So, na-move daw yung flight namin from 6 to 7. Kaya medyo pedix muna tayo. After neto, didiretso na kami ng airport. Yes. Harap. Goodbye na for now. At salamat sa mga nanood. Kung nanood ka at nabot mo yung part na to, comment down below. See ya! Di pala tapos. So, magpapamassage mo.
Cebu Pacific Air announces the arrival of Flight 5J5.
Ulit. Papamassage mo na kami while waiting. This is
5J.
Magpapamassage muna kami bago kami sumakay ng airplane.
Kasi 7 p.m. pa yung class namin. Oh my gosh, class. Hindi, may pasok na pala ako bukas. See you tomorrow, students. Subscribe na kayo. Hi! How's the massage? Good, good. Mukhang nabura yata yung kilay natin dyan, no? Oh. With the massage. May pa ba yung kilay? Hala, kumala. Pakinggan nyo guys.
We apologize for the
From 6, naging 7. From 7, naging 9. Woo! Sana gumagala pa kami ngayon, di ba? Wala pa kaming dinner. Dinner! Gutom na kami! Hi everyone and we're heading home. Salamat sa lahat na nanood ng video. Subscribe na kayo. Bye-bye!